Good morning, beautiful girl. Look how beautiful you are, my love. You're so beautiful. Look at my beautiful Indy. How are you today, girl? Are you good? Are you a happy girl? Hey? Hello, beautiful. Good morning. You miss your bounce, bounce. I miss my bounce, bounce, mommy. Look at me, mommy. I can bounce so good. Is that your bounce, bounce? Hello. Ah, grabe makatitig sa camera. Is that the guys? Ah, ka-leggings pa? Ka-leggings pa, aming India? Naka-leggings ba yan? Sus, bayag ni mo, Inday, oy. Bakit man yan naka-leggings? Ay, so cute lang. 0 to 3 months tong leggings niya. Kasyang-kasya naman na ang leggings na. Yes. Good morning, guys. Good morning. We're home. Kagabi pa kami dumating. But late na kami kagabi dumating. And today, hala, namang nangyayari. Ayla's not sharing. Ate! Ayla! He gave you Yakult. He gave you Yakult. Can you share, please? There you go. Happy now? Good sharing, guys. Oh, she's even sharing her favorite squishy. Aww. Ate, well done, baby. Hey, good job. I'm proud of you. Good playing, guys. Yan na sila. Okay na ulit sila. Ganyan lang talaga ang buhay nila. Hala, that's my alarm. Hindi ako usually nagpapa-alarm eh. Lalo na ngayon, school holidays. Kaya lang itadrop ni Ants yung boys today. So we will be looking after 5 kids today. Meron lang siyang appointment. Tapos may trabaho din si Tristan. So wala siyang maiwan sa mga bata. So dito niya iiwan. Saglit lang naman from 11 to 1:30 daw. So I don't think makaka-edit ako. So nagpa-alarm ako ng 9:30 just in case mag-sleep in kami ba. But I know that's not possible anymore because I have Indy. But I just did. Nagpa-alarm ako ng 9:30 just in case. But yeah. Nagising kami way before 9:30 guys kasi meron tayong India. Aww, that is so sweet. Aww, you love each other? Alo, who's your best friend? Who's your best friend, Alo? Oh, Ayla, who's your best friend? Oh, he's so sweet, guys. Magkakalat na naman. Guys, remember, Ila and Theo's coming today, okay? So maybe save all the fun for later when they're here. Is that a good idea? Your cousins are coming today, guys. I know. Kailan pa tumatutuloy itong kape ko? Kanina pa ako kapeng-kape. Yung anak ko naman, tawag ng tawag. Binilan ako ni Dan na kopi ko. Very good to si Daddy. Kasi alis na naman tayo, guys. Meron lang tayong today at saka bukas dito sa bahay. Kasi Thursday, alis na naman tayo. It will be a family trip. So, kasama namin yung mga kapatid ni Dad, tsaka yung mga fam-bam nila. And then si Sharon at saka si Pete. Punta kami Munta Bay. So, perfect na meron ako nito kasi itong kapin to yung dadalhin ko. So, i-ready ko na yan. And binilhan din ako ni Dan ng mga chips. Binili niya to, I think, a day before kami pumunta ng Canberra. And yung mga bread, dinala ko na doon. So, nagdala pa ako doon ng ensaymada at saka pandiregla. Nakadala pa ako sa Canberra, guys. So, itong mga to, baka dalhin ko sa Munta naman. Hindi na ako nagdala ng kape doon kasi may Vietnamese coffee sila. Marami silang Vietnamese coffee kasi nga galing lang ilang bakasyon, diba? So, I was having Vietnamese coffee every day in Canberra. And it was good. So, now, let's go back to our Kopiko. Pumunta si Dan sa Filipino shop na malayo sa amin actually. But meron siyang appointment dun. Banda. So, sabi niya, i-check mo nga. Meron, alam ko merong Filipino shop dito eh. So, he went to... Ay, sorry. So, he went to this shop. Pasta Chef. Pero sa Google, iba siya. Parang Ava something siya sa Google. Coming! It's you! Where are you? Dito na mga pinsan nila. Nagtakbuhan na. Nandun na sila sa taas, guys. Silang lahat. Pati si Indy. And our Indy is unbothered. Parang nandun ata sila sa kwarto naglalaro sa tent. But our Indy girl is sleepy. She's like, guys, I'm gonna sleep. Tapos si Sharon, pupunta talaga siya mamaya. Malas 12. Kasi siya yung unang inas ni Anne na pwede mo bang bantayan yung mga bata kasi nga may appointment siya sa city. Tapos hindi siya available ng ngayon 11. Available lang siya mamayang alas 12. So sabi niya, pagkatapos ng ganap ko, pupunta ako sa inyo. Sabi ko, okay lang naman, maglalaro lang naman itong mga bata. Sabi niya, punta ako, tulugan kita sa kids. Baala ka dyan. Do you guys want to move that in this room so we can leave Indy alone because she's sleeping? Is that okay? Yeah, I think that's a good idea. Alright. Did you... You can just drag it. There you go, guys. It is very light. Oh, you want to go there? Okay. I was talking about this one, but up to you.
Let's stop here.
Yeah, you stop there. Can you imagine kung ganito yung anak mo 5? Dami. Good job, guys. All I want for Christmas. Good job, Isla. Go, girl. Good job, Ayla.
Yeah, you are definitely, yes, you're a talker. You can take after Daddy, aren't you? Hey?
Is that your nana? Is that your nana, Mala? Yeah. Where are your siblings and your cousins? Are they playing? Yeah. You had a good nap? Was it a really good nap? Yeah. Was it a really good nap?
What'd you dream of? Hey, all the good things?
Yeah. Holidays?
Hey, on the plane? Hey,
Holidays? She was such a good baby in the plane. She was the best baby, weren't you? You were the best baby. You're trying to push something out. Are you pulling?
I don't know.
I'll give you burp cloth.
I played golf today. It's my
Oh, did you?
Yeah.
Oh.
I went and played golf.
Was it hot?
Yep. I played it, started at 7 o'clock.
Oh, yeah.
Because I should have stayed at 7:30. I thought, no, I'm declining.
Yeah.
Well, it's too hot.
You guys, what's happening here? Who's not sharing? Theo.
When I walk into the kitchen, you saw the look on my face. You saw the look on my had to get out of this place. I seen something I've never seen before. When you put on the pineapple, we couldn't be friends anymore. Pineapple thousands, go on pizza. It's a fruit and you know that. Pineapple doesn't go on pizza. They just don't belong.
Time check. It's 2:22 ng hapon, guys. Kakaalis lang ni Kambal. Si Sharon umalis mga 15 minutes before umalis si Kambal. But wala na silang lahat. And that was full on. Kasi ang dami nilang gustong gawin. Ang dami kasi din nilang malalaro. So, pakakalat. Yung kalat talaga to the next level, to the highest level. Pero tumulong si Sharon mag-clean up. Tapos napa-iPad yung mga bata. Ewan ko, feeling ko tinulungan siya ng pinsan niya na kunin niya yung iPad niya kasi tinago ko na yan eh. Pero yeah, she's on the iPad now. And hindi ka talaga maka-work. Well, ako kanina hindi ako maka-work kasi syempre kailangan mong bantayan kasi hindi ko pa naman anak yun. So nakabantay, sarado ka lang talaga. Tapos may bata ka pa. Nung nag-usap kami ng auntie nila, napatulog ko si Indy kasi hawak-hawak ko lang siya. Tapos may dami, nakatulog siya. And pag alis nila, ayun, and ano ko na guys, binaba ko na. And I will do some editing and hopefully we can finish one video. No pressure. Sabi ko talaga, itong year na to, I'm not gonna pressure myself much. Start of the year pa lang namin guys, dami na naming ganap. So sabi ko, kapag hindi man ako maka-edit, okay lang. Kapag hindi man ako maka-upload, okay lang. I'm not gonna pressure myself. Kasi yung unang kalaban ko talaga is yung sarili ko. Na parang, kailangan may video ako mamaya. Kasi yung schedule ko nga last year was 3 videos and then break and then 3 videos. Tapos nung vlogmas pa, during vlogmas, sabi ko, hindi ako mag-vlogmas pero ako na talaga ang daming upload nung December. And it's my fault kasi ako naman yung nagpe-pressure talaga sa sarili ko. But sabi ko, this year, I will not pressure myself much. Pero ang dami kong vlogs na kailangan i-edit. Kasi yung vlogging, guys, vlogging is good. It's not hard work vlogging. It's the editing part of it. That's, yun yung mahirap. But still really good compared to the other jobs kasi hawak mo pa din yung oras mo, alam mo yun? So, I'm not complaining when I say na mahirap yung editing part. I'm just saying, sa trabahong to, yun yung mas mahirap na part. Kasi kung vlogging lang, ayun lang. Kinakausap ko lang kayo, nakalagay lang yung camera dyan, alam mo yun? But then again, I'm not complaining. I'm very grateful. And I'm very grateful sa inyong lahat kasi you're still here. My goodness, 2025 na guys, nandito pa din kayo. So maraming salamat. It's 2:25 na. Dami ko na namang chika. Dan will be home late tonight because nag-catch up siya sa mga appointments. Baka 7:30 na yun dumating mamayang gabi, guys. Masarap tong ano, guys. Yay! Masarap tong cracker na to. Salt and vinegar. Tapos this is plain cream cheese lang. Harap. Mag-work lang ako, guys, habang Happy ang mga kids. And habang tulog si India. Update! Nakatulog kami, guys. Pinatulog ko yung dalawang anak ko kanina habang tulog si Indy. And I fell asleep too. So I had a good nap. A really good nap actually. Nagising lang ako kasi nagising din si Indy girl. And tapos na siya kumain. And while pinapakain ko siya, natapos ko yung first episode ng Incognito. Ang ganda. One episode pa lang yung napanood ko pero maganda. Ang ganda nung pagkuha ng mga scenes. Basta, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko matatapos. Yung isa kasi, tinart ko yung panoorin nung nandun kami sa Canberra. Ngayon ko lang natapos yung one episode. So, hindi ko alam kung kailan ko mapapanood yung iba. But it's really nice. Ang ganda. Pinanood ko siya sa I Want TFC. Meron akong TFC eh. Actually, luging-lugi ako dyan sa TFC kasi binabayaran ko. But hindi naman ako nakakanood. But now, ikikip ko siya kasi gusto ko panoorin yung Incognito. Available din siya ata sa Netflix, sa Netflix Philippines. Maganda siya, guys. I like it. Ihanda ko lang yung, actually, mamaya ko pa yun gagawin. Dinner ni Daddy. Kaya lang, alas 7 pa daw kasi siya uuwi. Magligpit-ligpit lang muna tayo. Ipa-fried rice ko lang yung rice namin kanina. And then, hotdog sa mga kids. Fried rice na lalagyan ko ng itlog para may itlog yung rice nila. Ito yung dinner ng mga bata. Tapos ako, fried rice at saka laing. May laing akong pinato. There's 3 blood stains. That's okay, baby. Nag-nosebleed ang aking anak kanina kasi tumama siya sa floor nung naglaro siya dun sa tent niya. Did you?
Yeah.
Your nose were bleeding.
Daddy's going to see it.
Daddy's going to see it. But you're okay now? You feel better now? So, naglalaro sila sa taas. Bigla na lang may umiyak. Tapos bumaba na. Dugo-dugoan yung ilong. Tapos yung pinsan niya, nakasunod sa kanya, naduguan din yung paa. Kasi, yung...
So play your phone for games.
Sorry?
Play your phone for games.
Yeah. Kasi yung dugo from ilong niya, napunta sa paa ng pinsan niya. Akala ko pa, dalawa yung duguan. Kasi madaming dugo sa, sabi ko, shh. Pero wala, si Ayla lang. Oh my gosh. Can you imagine? Ay, hindi ko na ito lalagyan ng beans, carrots, and corn. Kasi wala, guys. Pinapaseparate talaga ng mga bata sa akin. What do you have? Oh, yes. Can I have T-Rex, please?
Yeah.
Thank you. Oh my gosh, that's my favorite. Thank you. How much? Oopsie, sorry. How much? Oh. Thank you. Excuse me.
Mama?
I want more ice cream. Do you have more ice cream? Thank you. Like, that should get me Arlo. Daming laman ng cart mo, boy, ah. You found it? Ooh, I love that. Thank you. Kanina pa siya eh. Maybe ask Ayla and then come back to me.
Come back, Aya. Mommy, toys, Aya.
He's selling toys too, Ayla. He's also selling toys, not just ice cream. He's so cute. Ikaw na talaga, wala pang bihis. Kahapon pa yan.
Mama,
Huh?
what do you want?
I want... Do you have any superhero?
I got so many something.
You got many superheroes.
Right
Okay.
here.
Oh! Is that Thor?
Yes.
Can I have him, please? Thank you.
What you want, Mama?
Can I have a raptor?
Like this.
Yes. Thank you, Ala. I love
You
raptors.
want Spider-Man?
Oh, yes, sure. Dami ko na, boy. Oops. Dami ko nang ipon dito, oh. Dami ko nang nabili. Oopsie.
Want this one?
Oh, yeah. I want Monster. Thank you very much. Superman. I love Superman too. Thank you. You're giving me everything?
Yeah.
Oh, thank you, Alo. Thank you, mate. Alright, guys. This is Daddy's dinner. Ayan na. Nagwawala na yung India ko. 7:20 na. Malapit na yung sidan. Or baka nga nasa labas lang yun, nasa phone. Alright, Arlo, stop playing with the vacuum. Come on, upstairs. Let's take a shower. Patulugin ko si Indy, tapos maliligo kami.
Get in already. Arlo, you be here. What you want to do?
Where's your shoes, Arlo? Oops.
Go! Daddy, go! Steady.
You're racing?
I'm racing too.
Oh, he's coming, Isla. Watch out.
Watch out, guys.
I win too.
You both won. Good job, guys. Si Danny na bahala sa mga batang yan. You got the kids. I'm gonna work, my love. I'll try. Nakaligo na kami, guys. Indy's sleeping. So, hopefully, I can do a little bit of editing. While tulog yung bata. Ay, edit na ni Boy.
You wanna come?
Edit ko yun.
Ila my hoodie. Hoodie. My hoodie. No, this is a
You wanna be tickled? This is
Arlo, stop doing that.
this one.
my head.
And this one. Yeah?
This one.
And this one.
This one.
Hey, tickle. And this one. Tickle lang. Tickle this one. Tickle this one. You want me to tickle you again? Ate wants, do you want me to tickle you? I tickle you. I'm gonna tickle my boy. You This is my favorite boy to tickle.
I want to drink it, Mama.
See you in Munta, guys. Good night. Be good.